Okay, students, this is what the schedules what we have to prepare. The first schedule is like capital, authorized capital, so they have not given in the problem. Issued no, subscribe also they haven't given. They have given directly. We have to take it in form of called up capital, that is 20,000 shares into 10 each, fully paid, that is 2 lakhs. Only one thing was there in schedule 1. Schedule 2, that is very important. Statutory reserve, opening balance, that is given in the question itself. Schedule 2, that is given in the question itself, that is opening balance, we have to take it in form. So that is what? 1,50,000. Then additions during the year, this will come from the note. How to calculate the note now? This is a hint, is nothing but a note. Net profit for the year, that is what? 2,50,000, that is been given in the question. Add balance profit 1,04,000, that is also given in the question. Okay, so it will become what? 4,50,000. So we have to take 25% of 2,50,000, that is we have to transfer it to statutory reserve. That will come under what? That will come down to how much? 62,500. So total is what? 3,87,500. This will be treated as what? Balance carried to the next year. So that this things will come under what now? Schedule 2, that I have spoken something with regards to what now? Note in a question. How? It will come something as like this way. Additions during the 25% of 2,50,000, that will be 62,500. So 1,50,000 plus 62, it will be 2,12,500. And balance and profit and loss account, that I have told, that will be what? 3,87,500. So we have to total it up, which will come down to how much? 6 lakhs. Clear? Then comes what? Schedule 3, that is deposit, that is current accounts. Whatever was 3, 1, 2, 3, we have to total take it over here and make a total of over here 12 lakhs. Borrowings, there are only one, that is what? Borrowings from other banks, that is 1,60,000. In other liabilities, we have to check how many were there in other liabilities. Only one thing was there, that is what? Bills payable. So that is what? 40,000 over here. The next one is what? Schedule 6, there were two transactions, that is cash in hand and balances with RBI bank. So that is 2,50,000. Then comes Schedule 7, balances with banks and money at call and short notice. So balances with banks in current account, money at call and short notice. So 2,40,000 and 1,10,000. So that will become 3,50,000. Whatever we had done over there, we have to take a total over here and transfer this to the format. Investment, we have to do a total. Okay, similarly goes with the other things. Okay, very important is schedule 10, that is fixed assets. Premises at cost is how much? 1,20,000, but in bracket they have given us 90. What is the difference among this 90 and 20? That is 30,000. That will be treated as what now? Depreciation. So 50, and in bracket they have given like something 30. So what is the difference? 20,000 will be treated as an depreciation. Whatever they have given, we have to take it to the outer column. This is what they have given to us. So bracket 1,20,000, 50, and outer column they have given something 90 and 30. So difference, that will be treated as an depreciation. Okay, so we have to take all the totals from here to the main format. So this will be your problem. Capital 2 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 12 lakhs, 1 lakh, 60, 40, that will make a total for what now? Liability side, that will be 22 lakhs. And assets, we have to take down the totals from there and we have to put it over here 22 lakhs. And contingent liability ka total will be coming apart from your format, that is 1,80,000, and there is only one bills for collection. So it will come over here 1,50,000. So this is what the first problem for balance sheet. Please go through it and let me know. Thank you.